Hey everyone! Welcome back to Cantohousewife. Today we're making a classic comfort food, London-style beer-battered fish and chips. Pair with my homemade creamy and tingly tartar sauce that is going to take it over the top. And guess what? We're using swai, a super affordable and mild white fish that fried up perfectly in the beer batter. Let's get into it. Let's start off with the homemade tartar sauce so it have time to chill and let all those flavors come together. Here is the ingredient list. Start off by chopping the dill pickles and capers, and then combine all the ingredients and give it a good mix until it's smooth and creamy. This sauce is tangy, creamy, and just a little bit sweet. Cover it up and pop it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Next up, we're gonna tackle the chip, which is thick cut fries, just like they do it in London. I'm using 2 large potatoes, peeled and sliced into thick fries. Soak them in cold water for at least 30 minutes to remove excess starch. This step is crucial for getting the crispy chips. Drain them well and pat dry with a clean towel. Moisture is the enemy of crispy fries. Heat oil to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the potato in batches for 3 to 4 minutes, just until they're soft but not golden. Take them out, drain them on a paper towel, and then let them rest. We'll come back later to do a second fry to make them super crispy. Here's the ingredient list for the beer batter. Combine all dry ingredients together and then slowly whisk in 1 cup of cold beer.
When you're not sponsored.
Any lager would work great. You want that thick, smooth batter. Pop it in the fridge to rest while we prep the fish. I'm using about 1.5 pounds of swai fillet. This fish is flaky, mild, and perfect for the beer batter. Pat the fish very dry with a paper towel. Season both sides with a little salt and pepper. Drench each of the fillet lightly in the flour. This will help the batter stick. Dip it into the beer batter and let the excess drip off. Heat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently lay each of the battered fish and fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes per side until it's golden brown and crispy. Drain them on a wire rack instead of paper towel. This will keep the crust from getting soggy. While the fish is resting, we're gonna do the second fry for the chips. Crank up the heat and heat up the oil until 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the chips again for 2 to 3 minutes until they're golden brown and crispy. Drain, season with salt, and they're ready to go. Look at that. Crispy, golden swai fillet that is in the beer batter. Double fried chips and chilled creamy tartar sauce. If you really want that London style, make sure you get some malt vinegars. Alright, that's it for today's recipe. If you like this classic pub style meal, make sure you give it a like and subscribe for more comfort food. Make sure you check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!